Hi, I'm Dr. Lander, Advanced Animal Care here in Richmond, and today I'm going to be answering some questions about heartworm disease and specifically how it's prevented. Ella, our marketing director, is going to ask me some questions. If you want to go ahead, Ella.
So, Dr. Lander, how is heartworm prevented in dogs?
So heartworm prevention, at least the best way to prevent it, is getting a product from your veterinarian, whether it be orally, topically administered by you at home, or injections actually can be administered by your veterinarian every 6 to even 12 months.
So what are the different types of dog heartworm prevention?
So the actual components or the medical components of it may differ depending on the type of prevention that you're giving. But like I said earlier, orally, topically, on the skin, or even injections by your vet.
So when should I start heartworm prevention for my dog?
So some are labeled actually even for around 6 to 8 weeks. That first puppy vaccine appointment, that's a great time for a lot of things.
How effective is heartworm prevention?
So no prevention is 100%, but definitely the ones prescribed by your veterinarian are your best chance of preventing something like heartworm disease, and a lot of those are actually backed by multi-million-dollar companies that really believe in research and their products.
Does my dog still need a heartworm test if they're on prevention?
Absolutely. Kind of back to that point of prevention not being 100%. We recommend an annual heartworm test, whether it be in your annual wellness blood work or like that SNAP test where you just a few drops, it's a very quick test, just to rule out that they don't have heartworm disease, because if they do, the treatment's very different than prevention.
So can prevention be used to clear a heartworm infection?
Technically, yes. It's called the slow kill method. It is not recommended anymore. There's a totally different way of treating that now that has to be done by your veterinarian in hospital.
Are there any holistic or over-the-counter dog heartworm preventatives?
I cannot say that for sure if there are. I'm sure that there are, but I don't know what they are, let's say. And I definitely don't recommend them.
Can I do anything in my dog's environment to reduce the risk of heartworm?
You can help reduce the mosquitoes present perchance, especially if you want to limit them getting inside, having a screened in door, all of that. But at the end of the day, they're still going to be present, so that's why prevention at the end of the day is key.
So what should I do if I miss a dose of my dog's heartworm prevention?
If you miss a dose of your heartworm prevention for your dog, get them back on prevention ASAP, speak to your veterinarian. 6 months from that time that you missed it is really the only time that we're going to be able to detect whether or not your dog was infected during that time. Something with the antigen and the mosquitoes and all of that. But nonetheless, 6 months later, if you want to be sure, you can get a heartworm test done then.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.